Hey, how do you say I'm recovering from a neck injury in Spanish?
You can say, estoy recuperándome de una lesión en el cuello.
Great. And in German?
In German, you would say, ich erhole mich von einer Nackenverletzung.
Whoa, slower than that. Slow it down.
Sure. In German, you would say, ich, pronounced ich, erhole, pronounced erhole, mich, pronounced mich, von einer, pronounced einer, Nackenverletzung. Does that help?
Yeah, but I don't think I can do it.
It can feel tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. Do you want to break it down even more? Or maybe try repeating it a few times? I can help with that if you'd like.
Hey, I need your help. I was meant to be studying before starting work at a new school, and they keep talking about Rosenshine's principle or something to do with teaching. I've never heard of it. Can you explain it all to me so I don't look like a fool in front of them, please?
No problem. What they're referring to is likely Rosenshine's principles of instruction. These are a set of 10 teaching principles created by Barack Rosenshine based on research on effective teaching and learning. They're pretty popular in education circles because they offer clear, practical strategies for effective teaching. Here's a quick breakdown of the main ideas. 1. Begin a lesson with a short review.
That's really boring. Can you make it about surfing or something and speed it up? I've got to go soon. Quick.
All right, let's dive in quickly. Surf style. 1. Warm up on the shore. Start each lesson by reviewing what students already know. It's like stretching before hitting the waves. Prepares them for the ride ahead. 2. Catch small waves first.
Hey, I'm in the Dalí Museum in northern Spain. I don't really get it. Can you give me a bit of a tour and an explanation of why he's so important and what I should be looking at?
You're at the Dalí Theater Museum in Figueres. It's a fascinating place, and understanding a bit more about Salvador Dali and his work can really enhance your experience. Dali was one of the most important surrealist artists, known for his eccentric personality and bizarre, dreamlike paintings. The museum itself is almost like a surrealist piece of art.
Yeah, okay. After I get out of this gallery, though, what should I go and see that's nearby? And what should I eat?
Once you're done at the Dali Theater Museum, there are a few great spots nearby in Figueres that you might enjoy. 1. Saint Ferran Castle, Castel de Saint Ferran. This is one of the largest bastion fortresses in Europe.